My name is Marcus Munro. I'm the principal of Biloxi High School, an A-rated school. We're very proud of that A rating. Here at Biloxi High, we offer 11 AP courses. AP courses are advanced placement courses. They're college-level courses set on a national curriculum where our students take a test at the end of the year to see how they stack up against everybody else across the country. We also offer 11 dual credit courses, which are college courses. We're partnered with William Carey University, and our students can complete a total of 36 hours before graduating high school.
My name is Catherine Weaver. I'm the district chef for Biloxi School System. I am responsible to make sure that the kitchens run smoothly in all of the 8 different schools in the system here. There's 5 elementary schools. And with that, I've been approached by the child nutrition director to facilitate the farm to school program this year. And with that, we will incorporate a farm garden type setting at each one of the elementary schools. We will also have Farm to School Week the week of October the 7th, and with that, Pops Ferry is going to be doing theirs on the Wednesday. I believe it's October the 7th, and we're also going to incorporate animals. Not only are we going to provide the kids with nutritious vegetables with their meals that they can grab and go with, they can also get to see the animals that are incorporated with farms. We are also have a kitchen at Lopez School, which is where I'm centrally located. With that, we have the opportunity to teach and train all the employee staff here at the school system how to do their job more effectively and better. I am also going to create a program in the evenings for the parents so they can learn how to cook effectively and with great precision.
My name is Travis Coakley, and I'm the Director of Fine Arts for the Biloxi Public School District, and it's a job that I get to have so much fun with every single day because the arts are something that's very special to the Biloxi Public School District and to the Biloxi community. We have so many opportunities for our students daily to be a part of the visual and performing arts, and it's something that we're very proud of here in the Biloxi Public School District. In each of our elementary schools, we have a full-time elementary music teacher, which is kind of unique for Biloxi. All of our students get to receive music instruction every single day, so that builds the seed for music and art in our program and brings art and music to life throughout Biloxi. In our secondary programs, we offer strings, piano, choir, show choir, our band and our jazz band. There's literally a place for everyone in the arts in the Biloxi Public School District. Several years ago, we installed 2 state-of-the-art piano labs at Biloxi Junior High and Biloxi High School, and that program has been widely successful. We have a waiting list every single year for students who want to be a part of the piano program, and that's unique. Most school districts don't have an opportunity to offer something like that. It's one more thing that makes Biloxi special.